Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica Janae. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, okay? That would be great. Just hit the subscribe button, all right? It's not gonna hurt you. So in this episode, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to apply false eyelashes because one of my best friends hit me up and was like, can you please do a tutorial on how to apply false eyelashes? Even though I tried to show her when we were together and she didn't want to listen. Now she looking for me to do a video, so I'm gonna dedicate this episode to you, Ashley. Okay, I got you, homie. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, okay? And that is it. You better be looking, Ashley. I ain't playing with you, okay? I do this for you. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. So things that you need to apply your false eyelashes are: one, some mascara. Doesn't matter which type mascara. Just a mascara. Well, if you are applying black mascara, because I mean most eyelashes are black, make sure that you get the blackest black when buying mascara. Get the blackest black because black at times it can turn ashy over time. So like, you know, the color of the mascara. So get the blackest black because it will, you know, stay black. So next thing you'll need is some eyelash glue. I have Lash Duo and I have it with the applicator on the end, or you can just get the, you know, just any type, doesn't matter, lash glue. Okay, and you will need some false eyelashes. So I have the KoKo Lashes in the style Queen Bee. One more thing you do need is some tweezers, and you can get these type of tweezers right here, or you can get the eyelash tweezers. I don't have those, so just use some tweezers for right now, okay? First thing you want to do is get some mascara. I have the Faced Mascara, and you want to go ahead and coat your eyelashes with mascara. And you want to make sure when you purchase mascara, purchase the blackest of the black, because most false eyelashes that you apply are black. So get the blackest black, because the blackest black shows up black like throughout the day. Usually black will start to kind of look ashy, so get the blackest black. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm going to apply some mascara to our eyelashes. So next, you get your eyelash glue, get your eyelash glue. Going to coat the lash band with the glue. So let me show you. Go right here, coat. Go ahead and apply glue to both lashes. Smell the lash. To me, I like the lash glues with the applicators because I feel like it's just a little bit easier and you don't waste as much glue using it with the little applicator on the end. So now you're going to wait about 30 seconds to a minute, or until the lash glue is tacky, and then we'll go to the next step. So just wait for a second, okay? Now you want to take your tweezers, get your lash, take the tweezers, put in the middle of the lash, right, just right here. Because when you apply the eyelash, you're going to apply it to the center of your eye. So, so when you apply the eyelash, you're going to apply it to the center of your eyelid. So this is how we're going to do it. So take the eyelash with the tweezers, and then go to the center, secure the eyelash to the center, right? Then you're going to take the tweezers and you're going to adjust towards the end of the eyelash. Look at that. Take it and adjust it and make sure it's secure to your lid. Then you're going to go to the front and you're going to secure like that. Okay. So next, for people that are left-handed, because I'm left-handed, I'm going to take my other eyelash and I'm going to apply it to my right side, to my right lid, excuse me. So again, I'm going to take it, I'm going to go to the middle, secure, place it where you would like your eyelash, you know, depending on how you like your eyelashes to sit. Secure in the middle, go towards the end, place it, secure it, like that, and then take the take the to the front of the lash and secure it. To me, this is like the easiest way to apply false eyelashes, because I didn't know how to apply false lashes a long time ago, and then I figured this is like the easiest way to apply them. So just adjust them, fix them if you feel like, you know, they're still not securely placed. Just get a mirror and look and make sure that they're actually on your eyelids. This is optional. You can take some mascara and blend in the rest, you know, blend your natural eyelashes with the false eyelashes. I choose not to because I don't want to ruin the false eyelashes. Sometimes it can ruin it depending on the type of mascara you have. So I'm not going to do that because I don't need to. But sometimes, you know, your eyelash, you know, your natural eyelashes may still not be coated with mascara. So sometimes you can go back and just kind of blend it in or whatever. Or even if you miss that step with, you know, not putting the mascara on before you put your false eyelashes on, just go back to mascara and blend it out. So that is it. That's how you place false eyelashes. Very easy. You know, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you think I could do it better or I need to try it again, leave a comment down below, okay? But hey, that's how I put my false eyelashes on. So this is the end of the episode. Very quick. So make sure you subscribe and see you next.